Do you know many people are having trouble with their GE Profile ClearView AHTT08BC air conditioner turning off and displaying PLL? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Diagnose pump issue. The PL error indicates an issue with the pump. The air conditioner turns off to prevent damage. Step 2. Drain excess water. To fix this, first drain the indoor side of the unit to remove any excess water. Step 3. Clear error message. After draining, hold down the SLAEP button for 3 seconds to clear the error message. Step 4. Check power supply. If the error code persists, check that the air conditioner plug is securely pushed into the outlet and ensure there are no blown fuses or tripped circuit breakers. Step 5. Wait for restart. The unit may have a protective time delay of approximately 3 minutes before normal cooling starts after being turned back on. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the PL error on your GE Profile ClearView AHTT08BC air conditioner. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other GE users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.